How students can get Claude AI Pro for free 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a student and you've been wanting to use Claude AI Pro but the subscription price is holding you back, this video is exactly what you need to watch. There are actually a few legitimate ways students can get access to Claude Pro for free or at a heavily discounted rate in 2026. I'm going to walk you through all of them right now, so let's get into it. Check if your university provides access. The very first thing you should do before anything else is check with your school. A lot of universities and colleges have started partnering with AI platforms to give their students free access to premium tools. Your institution may already have a deal with Anthropic that gives you Claude Pro access through your student account. Check your university's software or digital tools page, ask your IT department, or look through any emails your school may have sent about AI resources. You might already have access and not even know it. This is genuinely the easiest win on this list, so start here. Use your school email for student discounts. If your university doesn't have a direct partnership, your student email address is still your best friend. Anthropic and many AI platforms periodically offer student discounts or promotional access tied to verified educational email addresses. Go to Claude AI and check the pricing or plans page to see if there's a student tier available. If there is, sign up using your .edu email or your official university email and follow the verification steps. These discounts can bring the cost down significantly, or even make it completely free depending on the promotion running at the time. GitHub Student Developer Pack. This one is a big one, and a lot of students sleep on it. GitHub offers something called the GitHub Student Developer Pack, which is completely free for verified students, and it bundles together dozens of premium tools and services at no cost. The pack has included AI and developer tools in the past and continues to expand its offerings. Go to Education, GitHub.com, sign up with your student credentials, get verified, and then browse through all the included tools. Even if Claude Pro isn't directly in the pack right now, other tools in the bundle can complement your workflow and save you money elsewhere, so it's absolutely worth grabbing. Google and Microsoft student programs. Similarly, Google and Microsoft both run student programs that give you access to premium productivity and AI features through their platforms. Microsoft Copilot, which is powered by advanced AI, is often included free with Microsoft 365 education accounts, which most students already have through their school. Google offers similar AI features through Google Workspace for Education. While these aren't Claude specifically, they can cover a lot of the same use cases and reduce your need to pay for a separate subscription. Look for Anthropic research or beta programs. Anthropic occasionally opens up research programs, beta testing opportunities, and educational initiatives that give participants free or extended access to Claude Pro. Keep an eye on Anthropic's official website at anthropic.com and follow their social media channels, particularly on X and LinkedIn. If they announce a student research program or an educational access initiative, jump on it quickly because these spots tend to fill up fast. Being a student actually works in your favor here, since these programs often prioritize academic users. Free tier and smart usage. Now, if none of those options pan out right away, don't overlook the free version of Claude. Claude's free tier is genuinely capable, and for most student use cases, writing essays, summarizing readings, studying for exams, brainstorming ideas, it gets the job done really well. The key is to be strategic about how you use your daily limit. Start your most important tasks first, keep your prompts focused and specific, and you'll be surprised how far the free plan actually takes you. Refer a friend programs and promotions. Finally, always keep an eye out for referral programs and seasonal promotions. Platforms like Claude sometimes run limited time offers where you can earn free pro access by referring friends or signing up during a promotional window. Students tend to have large networks of classmates who are also looking for these tools. So a referral program is a great way to get everyone access while earning your own free subscription in the process. So to wrap it all up, check with your university first, use your student email for any available discounts, grab the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Explore Microsoft and Google student programs, watch for Anthropic's own educational initiatives, and make the most of the free tier while you wait. There are more options available to you as a student than most people realize. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more tips like this. Share it with a classmate who could use it too, and drop any questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.